Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about 8 best water damage restoration service in Vancouver. So guys, let's start. Number 1, APL restoration. Positive reviews for APL restorations consistently praise the company's professional staff, top quality equipment and efficient service. Customers highlight their interaction with the lovely staff, the prompt response to emergencies and the high level of professionalism displayed by the team. The cutting-edge technology such as the infrared camera used to locate water damage. My natural environmental engineers. The Mr. Natural Environmental Engineers specialize in water damage restoration service, utilizing advanced technology to mitigate food, water, and moisturizer damage effectively. Their patented systems for hydroxyl generation ensures that mold spores can be deactivated, preventing the growth of mold within days of water damage. Their Decon air scrubber is able to remove airborne mold. Any leak.ca water leak repair and detection and restoration. Since 1999, Any Leak has been a market leader in plumbing leak repair service. When you notice a water leak in your house, it is critical to repair as quickly as possible to avoid water damage and high water bills. We back up our service with over 20 years of expertise and thoroughly train our leak detection professionals. We have the tools to tackle the issues our client. Ecotech Restoration Inc. Water damage can manifest itself in a variety of ways. It might come from a flood drenching all of your stuff all at once, or it can creep slowly via a invisible